Part 1 of the flood. Can't wait to wake up. Go morning to my friends. And can't wait to go to the beach since it's summer. What's inside there? Seems like I cannot enter here. Something's fishy. Did my mom put something there? Is there an extra door? What? Wait a minute. Why can't I enter the door? You leave me no choice. This is your revenge. Help! I don't like this door. Get removed, little door. Somehow I cannot drag the door. Be placed anywhere. Monster. Yeah, I had that NyQuil intense flu. This is the flu season and I hate it. It gives you cold. And I won't skip this NyQuil ad. It's so good. It's good for your stomach. Oh, my mom made me tomatoes. I gotta say good morning to her first. I gotta say good morning to her first. But first, what I got to do, I'm not trying to go fall down the stairs. Not my fault that I broke the chair. Good morning. Morning. Oh, good morning, Millie. How's your night? Good. You can go to the beach if you want, or you can eat your breakfast first before going to it. I would rather eating breakfast first before going to the beach. Okay, that's your choice. I'm so excited to go to the beach, but I have to eat my breakfast first. And I want to eat some apples, and I thought that was a tomato food, but it was a tomato can. Me and a lot of the boys changing, the girls and the boys changing. Oh my god, I can't wait to go to the beach. I gotta take these off. Are you serious? She's gonna wear that? Actually, I'm gonna take my whole thing off and put something nicer on me. And so it needs to be good. Oh, a t-shirt. I'm not wearing this. I'm gonna wear ew, no. I don't want a bib shoe. I wanna wear, why do I keep saying what I need to wear? I'm complaining. And I don't want to wear short pants. Okay, pink shirt. And put this on me. Ew, no. I'm gonna take this off me. Okay, I'm done changing. Wait, I need my pants. There. I'm now all done. Is he wearing that? Is she wearing that? Oh, okay, I'm gonna wear my. No, I'm not wearing short pants. I'm wearing this. Okay, now I don't want to wear my sweats. What did Mom do now? I don't want this door. Bye, door. Never see. Somehow this is impossible to delete the door. So I think I had to place it. Where should I place it? Okay, I need to place it outside. Right there. Just saying. Door right there. Yeah, somehow the news say that there's going to be a hurricane Travolta. Yeah. Yeah. So I think we should take shelter. Yeah. I can't. Yeah. I don't want to play in a hurricane before I might get sick and get flew away. How much wind is this going to be? I don't know, like 180 or 120 miles per hour? I don't know. I'm done changing. Can I go to the beach? Do you want to go before you eat your breakfast or now? Now. Okay, I will accept that. Is your brother going after breakfast or going before breakfast? Going before breakfast. Okay, y'all can go outside. Yes! My best luckiest day. Oh yeah, I need to eat my food. I better leave this tomato can alone. What happens if I break it? I'm too scared to break it. I'm gonna eat my first cake. Ow. Somehow I'm not gonna wear anything before I might get too hot and sweat. Did you just broke out of the window? Yeah, you sound like a girl. No, what? Yeah, go and die. Somehow I don't want this ad, so I want to see how I get out of it. Wait, I think I'm supposed to break the glass. Ow! I'm okay. Just got the blood on my head, and it hurts. Now let's see what I will do now. Can't wait to go to the beach. Yeah. Yeah. And I can't wait to play basketball to learn my practice. Have fun going to the beach. I will play basketball for a while, then go to the beach. Okay. Okay. Ow. Yes, first goal. First goal. Why am I so good at basketball? Am I just good? Did I cheat it? Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna play basketball. Go to the beach now. And I wanted my scooter, so I need to get it out from the garage. But I don't want to because not my problem. My scooter's right there and I want to get it. Let me go get my scooter. Where is Melanie? She said she wanted to go play. When disable damage and freeze rotation. And the miles should be 500 miles per hour. Actually 200 miles per hour. We don't want it to crash into somebody. I don't want to. Ew, no. What happened to me? Now I had to go change outside. Oh, that's baby Noah. That's baby Noah. Baby Noah, baby Noah. Baby Noah, baby Noah. You gotta be very big to wear this, but I'm kind of scared for you. So I don't want you to get on this. I'm scared. So guess you have to, what is it called? Ride on a scooter, not pausing the game and dragging you there. Oh my, wait, no. Slow motion, 49. Meanwhile, yeah, the news over here now, and they're saying about the weather is going to be 180 miles per hour wind. Wow, that's so windy. What if it blows our house down? Yeah, I'm kind of scared for that. I want to move somewhere else. Yeah. Oh my god, I can't wait to go outside and go play. Woohoo. My luckiest day ever. If it's going to be a NyQuil out, then I won't skip.
One sheet of bounty versus one sheet of the competitive.
And boop. There, I'm back. Okay. The beach. I like this. Very nice. Wow, let's go into the water. Yeah, so much fun. The rain part is at halfway there. It's at 12:30. Wait. Whoa, you're driving me. Wait. Who drives a scooter too? Don't me too. Yeah.
It's 11. 11:30.
It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. Let's go with Sis. Okay. Okay. Okay, sis. It's raining. Come inside. The hurricane's about to come. Tomorrow no school.
Monday.
Tuesday. It's so rainy. It's so wet. It's so wet. It's so wet. So wet. I want my big sister. Melanie. Okay, I already changed. I'm changed. Wait, I forgot my scooter. Wait, I forgot my scooter. I don't want to go get in the rain. Yeah, the news is all over the place, and yeah. What are you talking about? We're talking about the hurricane. It's talking about the hurricane thingy. Oh, I bet it's going to be 180 miles per hour. Can I have some water? Yeah, sure. I don't mind. Why are you drink the whole thing. Even you ate the bottle, the blood gonna come out of your mouth. Can I take it out? I don't mind. Okay, let's take it out. It's out! To throw it. Eh! What did you throw at me? Sorry, I threw glass at you. Baby melange glass. Why would she do that? And why would you do that? What's an accident? Just saying. Anyway, let's go upstairs. And yeah, let's do this or that. My scooter. The beach is flooding and I don't want that to happen. It's happened, it's bapping, it's napping, it's licking. Right.
Want to check out your house or your...
Philadelphia, more like Philadelphia. Philadelphia, more like Penniloosa. Oh my God! What's causing this lagginess? It's causing this lagginess. What's causing this lagginess? Okay, it's flooded. Supposed to be. Oh my God, there's too much things. I'm zooming, nothing's happening. Take the zoom out. Take that zoom out. Okay. Oh my God. Ah! What is this? Oh my God. So this is why I'm staying on this table. Because of this flood. I wonder if the beach is flooded. It is. Because your scooter's also down there. Are you gonna get it? Because if you get it, then I'm gonna give you $100. 100 cents. I don't want to get that. It is a scam. It's a scam? Why would you say that to me? That's rude of you. He's not trying to be rude to you. It's just that it's a scam. Scam is a thing. Scam. Oh my God. Who drives? Okay, don't move this table. What happens if you ride a boat? Whopping. Don't even ride a boat in my house. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. Don't. You leave me no choice. So that means you're gonna ride it in my house? Hurricane. Let's watch it. See? What was that? What was that? Oh my god, why do people keep dying? What was that? Was that? Something blew me away. I don't know what was that. Yeah, I don't know what was that. Is that a hurricane? Is the hurricane starting already? Why is everything starting early? And this is what I came into. This is what I came into. We came to come to Florida, and then I turn into this flooded city. Flooded city. Why do your swing cut off? How you're supposed to? What if the tree fell? It's about to fall, though. It's about to fall. It's about to fall. Oh my god, this whole tree is supposed to move. Like a... Wow, this is new. I have never heard of that in my life. And make it... Oh my god, your tree just chopped off like... I will be right back, guys. What?
When? I don't understand. I never copied.
Say that was my brother.
Nice. I'm keeping this hair until it's March. I'm keeping this hair until it's March. I know. That took forever anyway.
No, it isn't. It's February. Turning to March. Oh my god, I keep seeing these ads.
So tired.
I'm gonna check the balcony. I'm gonna check the balcony. Balcony.
You drove a little too far.
What's... Oh my god!
A little too
Whoa!
far.
Whoa! Whoa!
Why are they all the same?
Why are they screaming? Think it's a tsunami. There's a tsunami coming. What? This is what I came to. Oh my god, this is what I came to. This is what I came to. This is what I came to. This is what
I remember this. No. Yay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna trip. I'm gonna trip. Ah! 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 No, I don't want to fall to the floor. I don't want to fall to the floor. I don't want to fall to the floor. Where is corn? Where is corn? Yeah, I don't see him anywhere. Ah! Stop taking me away.
Yes, bro.
Maybe it's the wind.
Yes,
I don't know what you guys talking about. It's just the wind. There's a hurricane. You don't know what winds
This
is.
is true, though.
Winds at 180 miles per hour. You don't know it. I'm gonna go save corn. What came to this? What came into this? And you died already. It was already too late. Wait, no, no!
What kind of pupple's that?
Help! Oh my
Okay.
god.
Daddy.
Oh my god. Corn died already. How did he
My
die?
cousin,
I could.
Look what she named me.
Oh my
And I
god.
named her that. Oh my. These partners stink of
Ah! Whoa!
and the school bus be going so fast, bro.
Ow! Don't! What's happening? Okay, since I saved corn, time to heal myself for cracking my
This is so funny. Of course, it's GTA
Now, time to go back to what I was doing.
5.
And this is what I came into. This is not.
My mom doesn't check my account,
Why do I have this shirt on me? I never seen this.
Oh, not the
Guess-
Adrian.
Guess the wind did it. I guess not my problem. Just my
I love
problem.
the pool
Oh,
one.
hi, Dragon Fruit. Hi. Where do you even came
never
from?
mind.
Oh, I just came from the balcony, from the flood, the tsunami. Is the tsunami coming? Yes. Oh my god. I gotta tell this to everyone. Tell. What's happening? This is tsunami coming. What?
Okay.
We gotta
I don't
take
even know
shelter
how Lala gave
immediately.
me a whole box.
Video ending. Bye. Video ending
I always wonder what's inside.
in 30 minutes. I mean, it ends in 30 minutes. This is 2 more minutes until it ends. Stop!
Coconut.
What are you even
Oh.
doing?
It's a pee kiwi.
Wait a minute. Don't even think. Don't.
Oh,
Don't.
what did I forget about Bridget?
You ever lose your phone at the time? And who puts their phone into the microwave?
I know, what is that?
Don't even think. Think about doing what? What do you think I was about to do? Fly?
Why is there a baby boo? Okay, why is there a baby boo?
Intro to
Me, bro, did you get the hospital? Because I didn't. And they said it was today.
Oh my god. I told you don't, but you did it anyways. What is wrong? It's you. Oh my god, what is that in front of? Is that a bow? Oh my god, what a fly it is. Oh my god, it's so much good. I want. Wait. Are you guys going on a boat? Why are y'all doing that? Did y'all mom told you not to do it? Yeah, I told y'all not to do it, but y'all did it anyways. Keep on doing it. You will get in trouble.
Where's my hospital?
I don't care. I can do whatever I want. Yeah, loser. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna get on it too. This is so much fun. Guys, get on this boat. Why y'all forcing me? Is no.
You got it.
And that looks nothing like your mom. Oh my god.
I'm okay.
Why are y'all doing that? Oh
Bro,
my
they
god.
just made it free. Why are they making it into money now?
Oh.
They just made it free.
Well,
I'm not buying any more stuff. The only thing I'm gonna save up is for the character creator. I still don't have it.
ah!
Character creator?
Ah!
No, you can get more characters. Everybody's seen it.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, that hurts. Ow, 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 ow,
I'm
ow,
gonna play
ow, ow,
Minecraft.
ow, ow. Say I brought it.
This is not real Minecraft. I'm not spending $7 on a Minecraft. Yeah, that's the game that I always played. But you haven't seen it yet.
Obviously. Where is corn?
No.
Guys, I'm kind of scared. What if?
Bro, without.
Oh! No, no. Corn, what happened? Oh my god, let me check upstairs and upstairs. Let me check upstairs.
Yes,
Upstairs, important, upstairs. Upstairs, I can't wait, miss the show.
What did you do? I don't even know. I don't remember.
No.
Yes, bro. Remember in this rap we had to like do that.
Stuttering.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Don't eat.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't eat it.
Why is this a huge mess? No, I cannot wait. Oh, no, I cannot wait. No, 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 no. No, no. Ah! What caused into this mess? Wait. Wait a minute. Let's see if the light. Let's see if the light works. Let's see if the light works. Power go out. Let's see if the light works. It don't work. The power went out. And look at my son's toy truck. And look at my mess. Do you like it or not? Because if you say you don't like it, then no. What is happening here? What was it if
You were sacrificed.
though a tornado? What if the tornado comes? The tornado's coming.
Remind me of them, bro. Those glitter.
The tornado. It's coming. Oh my god, why is the tornado no spawn?
That is not chicken, bro.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I have to go down, go down, go down.
Oh yeah, fast food.
Oh my god, is that the tornado? Oh, I'm so cooked. Guys, I feel I want to get off. Look at
It's so disgusting.
Oh my god, what is that? Is that a tornado? Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa! Ah! Oh my god, I'm scared. Ah! No, what's that? No, help! What? What's happening? Ah! Help! Ah! Let's see how dragon fruit. And he died. Ah! What's happening? Is that a tornado? Oh my, ow, I broke my bones. Oh! No! Why are you still wearing a... Don't poop on me.
And then they say,
Bet you put the backup bombs. Just stop learning. Ah! What happened? What happened, little sister? What happened? You lost your hand? Oh, I cannot know. Your voice changed. Why did your voice change?
yeah.
I cannot do. I don't know. No. Oh my god, my little sister's game blew it away. Oh my god, is that lip pizza? Oh my god, is that lip pizza? I want to eat so bad. Okay, I can give you lip pizza after the flood resets, okay? The train. Okay. Okay. This is the end. People who die. Apple, dragon fruit. That's all. And baby Melanie. I will see you guys in next part 2.
Okay.
Probably gonna be long, I guess.